How to change thumbnail of your videos on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can easily change thumbnails of your videos on YouTube. So let's just get started. First thing first, you need to have the YouTube Studio application on your device. And if you're on PC, you can go to studio.youtube.com. I'll just open up YouTube Studio right over here. Now you can find your dashboard right here on your home screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the Contents tab at the bottom. And then from there, you want to change a thumbnail. Just select any one of the video where you want to change a thumbnail. So I'll just select this one right here. Now all you have to do is tap on the edit icon at the top. And to change your thumbnail, just tap on the video. Now, as you can see here on the top left, you can find the edit icon for your thumbnail. And if you want to add a custom thumbnail, tap on it. Now select any pictures that you want. So I'll just go ahead and select a random picture for a thumbnail. Tap on done. And you've successfully added your custom thumbnail. Tap on save at the top right and you're good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.